always be retuning the guitar. Okay, so moving right along, we'll get on to the action, and that's essentially the height of the strings above, or the clearance for the strings above the fretboard. Now this is usually subjective, but if you're unsure, a good starting point is about 2.5 mil, or 2.4 mil, sorry, on the low E string, and about 1.6 mil clearance on the high E. But the way this is measured is actually on top of the fret wire. So generally take a steel rule like so, hold it on the fret wire, get down to eye height, and just check the clearance. So this is just a shade over 2.5 on the low E side, and just a shade over 1.6 as well on the high E side. So what I would be doing in this instance is just slightly reducing the height of our posts, our bridge posts on our Tune-o-matic bridge. Now I'd be turning that clockwise to reduce the height. Again, I would only be turning at a maximum about half turn, and then checking again. And that looks about right to me. And we're very close on the high E side as well. Obviously you'd fine tune that a little bit more after you've played it, just to make sure you're happy. And again, I would also just tune the guitar again. It's important that you continue to retune the guitar. Any adjustments to the bridge or the truss rod will affect your tuning, obviously. Okay, so next we want to check intonation.